Hey y'all, it's Taylor. Welcome back to another vlog. This is the last week of school and there is a lot of fun stuff happening. We've got academic awards, we've got field day, graduation practice, graduation, my 40th birthday. It's gonna be a good week, so let's get going. A few months ago I ordered these two shirts for my 40th birthday, and I'm not one to make a fuss about my birthdays, but I feel like this is a milestone one, and like, why not? Let's have some fun with it. This one is so cute. I'm going to wear this one on Friday, I think, because it is adorable. And then I think I'm going to wear this one today because it's just kind of fun. Here is last week in my planner, and then here is this week. So I have really, I guess a couple ideas of what we're going to do in class today, but mostly we're just chilling. So I need to archive my Go Guardian classrooms, disseminate some survey results, and I have a Zoom this afternoon. It's going to be a busy week, but it's going to be a good one too. All right, Go Guardian classrooms are archived and deleted. To finish off the school day, I judged a mystery basket competition for the culinary class. The winner was one that had like perfectly cooked baby potatoes and then a cornflake crusted chicken. It was so good. But there was another one that was made like a almost like a grilled cheese or like French toast with the cornflakes. It was so good. Anyway, that's always a fun competition to do at the end of the year. Here's what we have going on today. So we've got Chromebook check-in all day, and then sports awards in the afternoon, the district art show. I'm gonna go pop by and just see all of the art, and then I need to change my password. So in classes, we're just playing games, watching movies, chilling. Maybe we might go outside for a little bit today. We'll just have to see. Every year for field day, we do some gift bags and we do a little raffle. They earn tickets for whatever. I mean, it could be like complimenting the teacher, or it could be anything at all. Winning some kind of flag football game or whatever. So the kids love field day. It's something we've done the past couple years. It's super fun. So I polled them this year to see, what do you want? So I got lots of gummy stuff. I mean, these are good gift bags. They're gonna be psyched. Okay, so tons of gummy stuff. The Nerds Clusters, of course, because they're obsessed, as am I. Takis, they disgust me, but they love them. And then some Gatorade, which they also requested and love. So I've got my little sheath gift bags, 10 of them, which right now we have under 100 students. So the odds are in their favor to actually win something. So let's put these together. And here we go. They're all ready for Thursday. They're going to be so excited. We just had our sports awards. That went well, but it went a little long and I am so tired just sitting there. But some kids got like their like overall awards and stuff, which was really fun to watch. But now I'm back in my office and I'm working on some stuff. I do want to show you something that's kind of funny. So our assistant principal dropped this off a little while ago, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So she had these made for us, and it's going to be so fun. So this is in our school colors, and then this is like the abbreviation of my school, and we're all going to wear these on Thursday, the last day of school. This really signifies how the year went. It was a rough one, but hopefully next year's better, and we're trying to finish on a good note and have a little fun with them. Okay, so we have academic awards today, and since I'm giving out like half of them, I figured I might dress up a little bit because I know there's going to be pictures taken and stuff. So this one is old. I got it like 2 or 3 years ago from Stitch Fix, but it's very comfortable. It's like jersey, so it's comfy, it's cute. It's going to be like 87 degrees today, so like I need something comfortable, and I love the little sleeves. It's just fun. Here's the plan for today. So I'm a little ahead of schedule, which is good, but I'm about to get ready for the academic awards. Here's all the award stuff for today. So I'm going to take this over to the auditorium, get it all set up. There's not much left to do in here, but just tidy up a bit. The last day of school. Looking a little bit rough right now because it was a very long day, but a good one. Really good. We laughed a lot. The kids had a blast at field day. They loved their little gift bags that we did like raffle tickets for. We played staff versus seniors in kickball, and we used a soccer ball for whatever reason. And one of the little freshman boys, because the underclassmen were playing with the staff, he caught a ball with his face. It was so bad. He was so confident that he had it, and then it just leveled him. I mean, we were laughing for like hours after that about this, and then we switched to like, he was okay, by the way. He was fine. He just was a little bit dazed. But then they brought out this giant ball that was like the size of like an exercise ball. And then one of the seniors got just leveled with this ball. Just feet swept out from under him, and just, I mean, and this kid had been giving me some trouble, so I mean, it was hilarious. But yeah, lots of laughs today. It was a great day, but I am exhausted. Whew. Yeah, it was just a long one. So tomorrow we have a work day, and thankfully I have pretty much all of my checklists done. I think I just need to get my room checked, and I think that's it, actually. But I think I've got everything else done. So what I did with our spreadsheet, our end of year spreadsheet, our checkout list, is that I like condition formatted it. What am I trying to say? I formatted this column with our names to be condition formatted, so that when our names turn green, we're good to go. So that is our goal for tomorrow, is to get green, and then we get to go home, and then at 3-ish, 4-ish, we're going to happy hour for my birthday, which I'm really excited about. And I have such a cute shirt to wear tomorrow, which I think I already showed you, but it's just gonna be so cute. And we're gonna have another really, really good day, and then Saturday is graduation. So it's all happening very fast, It's been a great week so far. I'm just really tired. Okay, so it's Friday, and thankfully we're done with kids, but we have one more work day to complete, and I think we can leave when we're done with our checklist. Pretty sure. I need to make sure all the formulas are right on ours, just so people don't get hung up. But yeah, today is also my 40th birthday. I'm excited. I woke up today feeling extremely blessed and just excited to celebrate 40 years on this earth. It's just, it's crazy to think that I'm 40, but yeah, here we are. I am. I'm wearing my shirt today. I'll have to figure out how to show you the back because it is adorable. I think after we finish at school, I'm going to come home, relax for a little bit, and then we're going to go out to happy hour. We invited our whole staff, so we'll see who can make it, but I know as of right now, like, at least 10 people are going to be there, so that should be fun. So let's get going on this day. I picked up bagels for everybody. And we got presents to open in a bit. Good morning. It is Saturday. I intended to check in more yesterday, but it just was not happening. It was a great 40th birthday, like top tier. So I started off the day with my work day at school. We finished up around 10:30, and I like unwrapped my gifts there for my friends, and then I went home and I took a 2-hour nap. I just needed that. Like, I just can't seem to catch up on my sleep. But then we went to happy hour at one of my favorite Tex-Mex places, and it was just the best. All my friends, it was just really good, relaxed, fun. We were done by like 6:37, and then I went over to my sister's house and played with my nephews for a little bit and unwrapped my sister's gifts. My friends and family are just the best, and I have so many fun things for my camping this summer. I got tons of books. I'm just really blessed and grateful for everybody in my life. So I went to bed at like 9-ish, and now it's Saturday and we're getting ready for graduation. So I'm dressed and ready to go meet my friend Kat so we can drive to school. Graduation's at 10 a.m. and I'm ready. This senior class was a challenge at times, but there's like so many good kids in that class too. I'm just gonna miss those really special kids a lot, and it's gonna be a little bit sad to see them go, but also good because they're like ready to fly the nest. But that's it. I'm wearing a new dress from Old Navy. It's just a t-shirt dress. It's very comfortable, which is what I need. It's very light because it's supposed to be like 95 degrees today. And I just finished with my hair and makeup. Hair is a mess, but I just can't be bothered. And I'm ready to go. So I'm going to head that way, and I'll hopefully get some pics or video of graduation. I just got home from graduation. I already changed. I'm about to take this makeup off and just relax, maybe even take another nap just to recharge because I am worn out. That tends to happen this week, the last week of school. But yeah, summertime it's happening. It's already started. And we just have to do next week, we have to do some modules to get started on our summer PD. But that's it. So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I didn't film a ton of like students or even my friends because I want everybody to be comfortable with whatever I'm filming. But if you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I do lots of teacher videos, and I'm trying to do more vlogs. I'm hoping to do some this summer when I go on some car camping trips in Colorado.
that should be really fun, and I'll bring you along for that. So we'll see you next time. Bye!